Welcome back, viewers. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that concerns our liver health. In our fast-paced lives, our liver often bears the brunt of our unhealthy choices, leading to the accumulation of fat. But worry not, because nature has provided us with some incredible herbal remedies to reduce liver fat naturally. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to dive into 8 herbal remedies to reduce liver fat naturally. Before we dive into the herbal remedies, let's quickly understand what liver fat is and why it matters. The liver is a vital organ responsible for various functions, including filtering toxins and metabolizing nutrients. However, when excess fat accumulates in the liver, it can lead to a condition called fatty liver disease. This condition can impair liver function and increase the risk of other health problems like diabetes and heart disease. Now, let's explore some natural ways to reduce liver fat. Our first herbal remedy is the mighty milk thistle. This flowering plant contains an active compound called silymarin, which has been shown to support liver health and reduce liver fat. Silymarin helps protect liver cells from damage and promotes the regeneration of healthy liver tissue. To enjoy the benefits, you can find milk thistle in the form of supplements or tea. Moving on to our next herbal remedy, let's talk about dandelion root. This common weed has extraordinary detoxifying properties that can aid in reducing liver fat. Dandelion root stimulates bile production, which helps break down fat and aids digestion. You can brew dandelion root tea or find it as a supplement. Turmeric. This vibrant spice not only adds flavor to our meals but also offers fantastic health benefits, including liver fat reduction. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can protect the liver from damage. To incorporate turmeric into your diet, you can sprinkle it on your food, prepare a warm turmeric milk, or even try turmeric supplements. Next up, we have another kitchen staple, ginger. This versatile herb is known for its ability to aid digestion and promote a healthy liver. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. You can enjoy ginger by adding it to your meals, brewing ginger tea, or even chewing on a small piece of fresh ginger. Our fifth herbal remedy takes us to the sweet side. Licorice root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to its liver protective properties. It helps increase bile flow, aiding in the removal of toxins from the liver. Licorice root is available in various forms, such as teas, extracts, or supplements. Let's turn our attention to artichokes now. These delicious vegetables not only make a great addition to salads but also support liver health. Artichokes contain a compound called cynarin, which helps increase bile production and promotes liver detoxification. You can incorporate artichokes into your meals or find artichoke leaf extracts in supplement form. Now let's explore the incredible benefits of renowned green tea. This popular beverage is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which have been found to reduce liver fat and promote liver health. To reap the benefits, aim for 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day. Last but not least, we have Schisandra berry for liver health. Schisandra berry is an adaptogenic herb known for its protective effects on the liver. It helps enhance liver function, reduce inflammation, and promote detoxification. You can find Schisandra berry supplements or consume it in the form of teas and tinctures. And there you have it, folks. 8 herbal remedies to reduce liver fat naturally. Remember, these herbal remedies work best when combined with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and a mindful lifestyle. If you're considering incorporating any of these remedies, always consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on natural remedies and wellness. Stay healthy, stay happy, and until next time, take care.